Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to discuss next session. So, what I discussed yesterday first is stress sigma equal to force by cross section area. This I discussed yesterday. Next one, strain, that is delta L by L. Another one, Hooke's law. From Hooke's law we derived delta L equal to FL by AE. These three formula we discussed yesterday. Right. So next we'll proceed another things. Before that, we are going for what? Problems. Small problems you should solve. So you will get confidence. What is this three formula? So first one, you write problem. Fast, I'll dictate here. You can pause the video and write. So first problem here is a steel bar having length L equal to 2 meter. When heavily loaded in tension, this bar might elongate by 1.5 mm. 1.4 mm. Elongate. Full stop. What is the percentage strain? What is the percentage strain? So he given what? Length of the bar. He given length of the bar 2 meter. Right. Solution. I'll put here solution. Length of the bar he given. Next is elongation. He given 1.4 mm. Next he want percentage strain. Once you will get this strain, then you can make it percentage. So what is it? Percentage strain. So you can go through formula what you learn. Strain equal to delta L by L. Am I right? So here L is 2 meter. Here is also mm. Right? So you can convert this one in mm, either this one in meter, whatever. You can convert this one in meter, what? 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Right? And this one, yes. So we'll put 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 2, both. So we'll cancel 0.7. Epsilon equal to 0.7 into 10 to the power minus 3. And strain don't have unit, but even though you can write this one, if I write 700 into 10 to the power minus 6, is it okay? Yeah, you can write like this also, and otherwise 700 or you need percentage strain, no? So you'll go for percentage. 700 into 100 divide by into like this. So you will get what? You will get 700 into, if you resolve this 2, so it will get 7 into 10 to the power minus 2. Right? So next you can get in this percentage 7 into 10 to the power minus 2, or you can write this one either this way or 0.007%, right? Epsilon percentage. This is the what your question solution, this way. Next one, you can write the question. So second one, a sorter post constructed from a hollow circular tube of aluminum support a compressive load of 26 kilopound, 26 kips this load is acting. Shown in figure. They given the figure also. In this problem, they given figure. So what type of figure they given? I'll just draw fastly. So he given this way. (26 kPs) and this length is 16 inch. Okay, given that. So in figure, the inner and outer diameter of the tube are D1, D2 they given, this is force, and D1 they given what? 4.0 inch, D2 they given 4.5 inch. In inch they given, be careful. This one, and its length is 16 inch. I told L equal to 16 inch already. In figure they given the 16 inch. Next, the post is loaded due to the load measured as 0.012 inch compression. Delta L, what he measured? 0.012 inch compression he measured. Neglect this self weight compression. इसका self weight का compression बोल रहा है, neglect करने itself, and assume that the post not buckled under the load. Assume that post is not buckled. So buckle means it will not like this. Once I'll put the compression load, it will not buckle. Okay, like this type, it will not buckle. So we'll go for this problem. What they given and what he want in this. क्या पूछा है इसमें? तो देखिए इसमें पूछा है क्या? Determine the compressive stress and strain in the post. लास्ट क्या बोला है? डिटरमाइन द कॉम्प्रेसिव स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रेन. तो हमने फोर्स को लिखा है ये केपीएस में, इसको चेंज करना है तो 26,000 LB हो जाता है ना. एब्रिविएशन उसका यूनिट होता है, आप देख सकते हो जाके और अच्छे से निकाल सकते हो. और इसमें देखे हो ये दोनों जो दिया है इसका क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया आप निकाल लो फटाक से. क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? सर्कुलर है तो हम जानते हैं कि पाई डी स्क्वायर बाई 4 होता है एरिया, कोई भी सर्कुलर का डी में दिया रहे. तो हम यहाँ पाई बाई 4 इंटू D2 स्क्वायर माइनस D1 स्क्वायर ले लेंगे तो फटाक से हो जाएगा ये दोनों का, है ना. पाई बाई 4 इंटू D2 स्क्वायर 4.5 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर. आप a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर पे भी तोड़ के इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी, है ना. ऐसे करके पाई बाई 4 इंटू ये एक बार जोड़ दो तो 8.5 होगा, घटा दो तो 0.5 होगा और कट कर लो जो भी करना है करके. ये आएगा 3.338 इंच स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर क्यों? एरिया है ना. तो अब ये चीज आने के बाद आप जानते हो स्ट्रेस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? फोर्स बाय एरिया. क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया फोर्स कितना है? 26,000 IB जो भी है. नेक्स्ट इज 3.338. इसको सॉल्व करिएगा तो कुछ ऐसा आएगा 7790 पॉइस, है ना, सिग्मा. ये आंसर आएगा. नेक्स्ट इज कॉम्प्रेसिव. This is compressive stress. Sigma C I'll write. You can write compressive stress. What he given. Next is now compressive strain sigma epsilon C. क्या हो जाएगा डेल्टा एल बाय जितना कॉम्प्रेस हुआ है और ओरिजिनल लेंथ क्या था। तो कॉम्प्रेस कितना हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ था क्या अपने को 0.012 डिवाइड बाई what 16 inch, right? Once you will divide, you will get what? You will get 750 into 10 to the power minus 6. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 750 माइक्रो इंच बाय इंच, because dimension is not there, but you can write like this. Some books it will write this way. So either write this one or this one. So these two problem all of you practice and and understand correctly these two problems in this video session, and in next video session again we'll proceed with theory and day by day problems also I'll do. So thank you all of you.